Someone's asked, how do you lubricate a zipper? Well, basically what I do is I'll open up the zipper here, take some lip balm, and just start working it across the zipper, teeth of the zipper, inside and out, both sides of the zipper, like this. You want to use lip balm instead of Vaseline, because the Vaseline, being an oil product, tends to run, and the lip balm, being more of a paraffin, tends to stay in place. So once you get a good coating on there, work this back and forth a few times, work that lip balm in. You might want to do this 2 or 3 times, and that's how you lubricate your zipper. Okay? Y'all have a good day.